important thing that we can't be too productive, because things what we deal and what will be, it may not be the too productive factor. It will be in such a way that we will always have a multiple type of situations where we can't be productive. Means some people will say that I'm not able to manage the time. Some people will say that I'm not have sufficient like proper planning to achieve. Majority people will say that time. Trust me, even billionaires have 24 hours. You don't say that you don't have time. You need to say that you are not able to manage the time. So I can say that what are the main things that impacting ourselves that we are not able to be productive? Okay, can you please expand that one? Please click on the plus. So now we can go through the each and every point here. What is the thing that is impacting you to be not productive? I'll repeat the question. What are the things which is impacting you to be not productive? If you're seeing this recording, I just want you people to type in the comment box which is thing, what is the thing that you are not able to be productive, whether it is Netflix, Prime, or family calls, friend calls, no clarity. It's all about you think that you're not able to manage the stuff happening around you. Too much suggestions. You do this, you do that. It's not a good, it's not a bad. You need to do this to get achievement. Too many suggestions are like postponing. Means you have a nature of postponing the stuff. Time management. You strongly feel that you don't have a proper time management, or if you feel that it's a stress management factor again. So what do you feel about that? So I just want you people to type in the comment box which is the most thing that is impacting you. A Facebook, Insta, YouTube, or WhatsApp. So where you are putting your time into. You are if it is a time management here, are you planning a lot? Means you just having a schedule and having a plan and just crossing that again, or creating with another plan, or thinking to create another plan, or your stress management. Means if you're creating a plan, by seeing that plan, are you people getting stressed by seeing that మీరు ఎక్కువ స్ట్రెస్ గా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారా? ఈ ఫేస్బుక్, ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, యూట్యూబ్ వీటిలో ఎక్కువ టైం స్పెండ్ చేస్తున్నారా? లేకపోతే ఇట్స్ లైక్ టూ మచ్ సజెషన్స్, మీరు ఇది చేయండి, అది చేయండి, ఇలా చేయండి, మార్నింగ్ లేవాలి, 6 o'clock కి ఇది చేయాలి, 7 o'clock ఇది చేయాలి, ఇలా చేస్తే మీకు సక్సెస్ వస్తుంది. చాలా మంది మేధావులు ఇలానే చేస్తారు. ఇలా లైక్ మీ పేరెంట్స్ కానీ, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కానీ, లేకపోతే మీరు ఫాలో అవుతున్న పీపుల్ కానీ ఎక్కువ సజెషన్స్ ఇస్తున్నారా? నో క్లారిటీ. డ్యూ టు ఆల్ ద షిట్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ అరౌండ్ us, you people are missing the clarity. And do you think that you are the responsibilities for the all things which is happening around you? So I just want you people to type. If you are typing like postponing, then you need to come up with what is the next thing that making impact in your productivity. So if you think let's say like watching YouTube or Instagram, Facebook without any reason, just like any notification, you people are going to watch that, I suggest you strongly to install all the apps which is using your time in non-productive way. I'll repeat, I suggest you people to uninstall all the apps which is using in unproductive way. Means you are using that app, your timing is consuming for that one, and you are not able to create any productive work. Let's say I don't have Facebook, I don't have Messenger, I don't have Instagram. No, I'm not using that. I just back a month I just deleted everything. So whenever I want to use a Facebook, Insta, those stuff and all, I'll just go through my I'll just log in my my laptop. So I don't have those all stuff in my like phone. I don't have Prime account, you know. So if I want to watch any documentaries, I'll then and there I'll install that. Once the documentary is done, I'll delete that. If I'm not using any app, I'll just delete that. So if I feel that I want that app for particular task that I want to complete, to watch any documentary, to watch any movie which is informative stuff all together, so I'll watch that, then I'll delete. So what is the apps I have in my like in my phone is the only YouTube. No Facebook, no Insta, no LinkedIn, no Gmail, no Prime, no Hotstar, nothing. Like no Dream11. Before I used to have a Dream11. That too, I just deleted that. So now I have a couple of thing, like I just install. One is like Audible, where we can go through all the books in Amazon by audio mode. Now I have that app. Some of the app which is related to mutual funds. So I'll invest a lot in the mutual funds. I don't take any suggestions from anyone. I'll put myself, and I'm planning to create one more course on the mutual funds, which will be discussed in the inner circle call. In the wealth management stuff, I just want to create this video for you for free. You don't want to go outside to I'm just creating a platform that the people who are jumping into the community, they don't want to think about any source outside. That's why I'll give a task per week, per day, per, you know, for every week. I just want to give you a task. So if you have a long-term vision, I always say think long-term. We need to think for long-term. I need to work for the short-term. I'll repeat. We need to think for the long-term. We need to do for the short-term. Means to achieve the long-term results, long-term vision, what you have, you need to work more on hours. You need to focus on more minutes and hours. Okay, so if you want to achieve a long-term vision, you need to do more focus on the hours and minutes. How many minutes you are putting for yourself? How many minutes you are putting a productive work? Cooking too many things, thinking too much, discussing unnecessary stuff, having unhealthy conversation, creating unnecessary talks with the friends, going into the YouTube and searching how to become success, how to become rich again and again, thinking, taking too much information which is not required for you. So all these things are like which will consume our minutes and hours, directly affect our long-term results. What we think, yeah, let it be 10 minutes, it's just a 2 hours movie, it's just like browsing, just a half an hour break. No, don't do that. Half an hour will directly expand to 5 to 6 hours sometime. At the end of the day, what have you done? It's nothing. So I just want you people to focus. If you have any long-term vision, that may be anything, I just want you people to focus on minutes and hours, not on long-term vision. The vision will be a pillar, a milestone for you. So I just want you people to focus more on hours and minutes, which is essential part to have. Okay. So I just want you people to type on the comment box which is the most impacting factor in a negative way about your productivity. So if you feel that you're not able to manage your time, then like time management, if you're not able to manage like clarity, phone calls, Netflix, Prime, whatever you are putting your time, just comment in the comment box. Okay. So I just want you people to focus on minutes and hours, in how much minutes you are putting for your productivity and how much hours you are contributing effectively. If you ask me the same question, like how much hours I'll work, how much hours I work and how much things I'll do, if you put me the same question, the thing is like I'll work for 10 to 12 hours per day, which will be a productive manner. So I'm just pulling myself to work for 12 hours, 9 to 9. So I'll wake up very late, like 8 probably my wake up in time. So my work will be starting by 10 or 9:30. So I'm just pushing that 8 to the next level, like almost like I'm planning to get up by 7:30, something like that. I'm a night person, so I'll think a lot in the nights, like until 12 and 1. My brain will work too fast, too quick, too instant solutions. In the mornings, I'm not like a morning person, I'm like a night owl. So you people need to know what is the intents of the mindset you have and where you can be more productive. It's more essential part to know about yourself before doing all this. That's why I always tell 80/20 formula. 80% will be the internal and 20 will be the external factors, which is knowledge, information, YouTube, parents, everything, stuff like that. But 80% will depends on your mindset. So if you want to become anything, not only graphology, anything, you need to work on your mindset. Okay, so it's most important to work on your mindset. So you need to be more conscious whether you are a morning person or night person. Okay, So he can type I'm no person also. Some people don't know when they will work, means they don't have idea when their brain work too quick. We need to have a self check on that one. Okay, so this is the factors what I want to discuss. If you're putting each and every time, focus on your minutes and hours, that may be any factor. If you focus on your minutes and hours, you'll get to know how you were able, what you're doing exactly. It's not about what you want to do, it's all about what you're doing exactly. So if you get a conscious thing that you're making your time waste, then definitely you can work on that particular situation. Okay, so this is all about the stuff about whatever challenges, productivity challenges. So work on that one step by step. I just want you people to have a sheet which is a strategy sheet, 100 diamond questions like golden book, all those stuff. I just want you people to follow, because which will help us to be more productive. Okay, so coming back to the mind map now,